Hi friends, this video shows how to use this Qubo inflator as power bank. First let me turn on this inflator. So for that we need to press and hold this power button. Press and hold, see, now this is on. Then go to top, here you can see two ports. This is normal USB port, so we can use this port to take output. And here you can see USB type C port. This is input port. We can use this port to charge this inflator using mobile charger or car charger. So here I will be using this port, this normal USB port to take current from this inflator. So here I am going to recharge my mobile phone. So here I will be using this USB cable. So first let me connect this cable here in this USB port. Done. Then this other end of this USB cable I am going to connect to mobile phone. So this way we can charge mobile phone using this inflator. See, it's charging. So this way we can use this inflator as power bank. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.